Take a look what I found on Aliexpress for $1. And what is it? 3.7 volts to 4.2 volts 4-channel battery metering module, high precision 1S Lithium LiPo battery tester, 3-color LED indicator, compact design. And you won't believe it how small it is. I ordered it and I got it. Oh, no bubbles. The big package. Where is it? I got the empty package? No. Let's open it. Oh, here it is. Look how small it is. Where is it? Where is it? I can't find it. I can't see it. It's there. Take a look how small it is. This is micro voltmeter for lithium batteries. Oh, very small. And I got 2 of them. Look, 2 tiny LED battery indicator with 4 LEDs for single lithium battery 3.7 volts. Oh, so tiny. What it says, display instruction 25% from 3.4 volts to 3.55, 50% 3.555 to 3.7 volts, 75% 3.7 to 3.87 volts, and 100% fully charged battery 3.87 to 4.2 volts. Wiring diagram, very complicated, and it says that it's 9.5 millimeters by 4.6 millimeters, that is 1 centimeter by 5 millimeters. Oh, this is super cool. Tiny. And I'm gonna measure it. Come on, come on. 9.1 by 4.489, 4.5 millimeters. And the thickness 3.1. Let's wait. My scale won't measure. Look. Come on, tear. 0.28 grams. It's not even 1 gram. This is super cool. By the way, I have a new big desk pad. This is super nice. I like it. I got it yesterday. This is light green pad. Super nice. And I love it. If you want to check it, just check the link in the description below. It comes in many colors. How much is it? You're gonna find out. I can't believe it how small it is, this voltmeter or indicator for lithium batteries. Take a look. It has 4 LEDs. It says that are with different colors and have 2 points where you need to solder positive and negative wire, and from other side also points for soldering wires, the chip for measuring the voltage, some capacitors and resistors. So tiny. Let's solder wires now. Okay. Let's solder positive and negative wire. This is so tiny. Okay. the positive. Okay, I'm done. It's big as the wire. Oh, love it. I hook up my alligator clips, positive and negative, that are coming from my power supply. It's set on 2.99 volts and nothing happens. And let's increase the voltage a little bit. 3.2, 3, 4. What it says? It says that at 3.4 it will indicate 25%, but nothing happens. Oh, we have a red light. Alright, that 3.3, 3.2, I'm going down, 3.1, 2.9 turning off, and 3.5 turning on. Alright, the next is 3.55 volts, 50%. Let's change to another decimal, turn it off. 53, 3.53, the second LED turned on. Next is 75%, 3.7 volts, starting to 3.87. Oh, it's already turned on. And how much? The green LED turning on in 66, 3.66, but it says 3.7. It's not close, but it's working. And 100% it should, the fourth LED should turn it on at 3.87 volts. Let's check that. And 3.8 volts. The last green LED indicates fully charged battery. I'm gonna go up to 4.2 volts. It's pulling 29 milliamperes. And let's go down now. We have 75% at 3.7 volts, 3.5 50%, 3.4 25%, and at 2.9, yes, 2.9, all LEDs are turned off. It's not like is described in the description, but I like it. It's so tiny. Have you ever seen a battery indicator so tiny and small? Oh, and it have red. That the second one, it's not red, it's orange, orange, green, green. So tiny. For more information about this product, just check in description below, order it, and I'm pretty sure that you will have a super fun time testing this or using in your projects. I like it. Tiny one. I'm gonna call it Tiny One. Okay. That was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya! I'm glad that I ordered it. Super cool!